Any more questions? Is there any more questions regarding this common BJT experiments? You can ask me right now.
Sir, for common emitter, sir, we taken around 10 values, so it's giving us 10 graphs individually.
10 values with how you have taken the values? Tell me.
Sir, for each input,
say clearly just what I saw, what I had shown you. Just 1 second.
For each RH1 value, we changed the RH2 values. We kept increasing the RH2 values.
RH1 and RH2, no, that's not, you have to plot. Just, okay. Let's start with that. Let's start with this doubt. Okay. Right? This is the experiment talking about. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is said? RH1 1 ohms, RH2 2 ohms. RH1 is 1, RH2 is 2. So I have some IV. I have some IB, IC, VC. Okay. I keep IB constant. I vary VC, so I can. Okay. Now I keep IB constant, which means I keep RH1 constant. I do not touch RH1. I vary RH2 so that VC changes, and I take the readings. Okay. So these are the readings for one value of IB. I am not changing IB throughout, so I'm just plotting it. One few more. Just plotting it. Okay. So this is one curve. Okay. Now I reset everything. Now I change IB, RH1 to get another value of IB. Okay, set around 20, what is the unit? 20 microamps. Okay. Now I start changing the values of VC. So we get another curve for a different value of IB. That is how it should be plotted. দেখালাম না এই যে এই দেখো, see here, there are 5 different values of IB. There are 5 curves for 5 different values of IB. That is how it must be plotted. বুঝতে পেরেছো? Is it okay? Ideally the output characteristics would look like this figure. Okay. Any other question? What is the submission date of last lab file? The last submission day of lab file is 2 days before the lab exam. Okay, next question. Oh, next question I already answered. Okay, now my question. What do you want to revise?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, you are excused.
Sir, actually, I tried to plot all the graphs in just one graph, but it is not happening.
Not happening means?
I mean, that you said to take about 4 to 5.
Which
readings
experiment? Which
of
experiment
every-
talking about?
this one only, sir.
This one, okay.
Which you showed. So it is not happening for all 5 or 4 if we take.
Take it plot 2 or 3. I understand, no problem. Ideally, the curve should look like what I have shown in the figure. Okay. If it is not having difficulties for 5, you can take 2 or 3, no problem. The idea is you should understand the experiment. Okay. 3, 4, or 5 doesn't.
Okay. And so if
can-
it doesn't happen, can we just submit the individual graphs of every readings?
You can, but
Yes,
that
sir, can we
doesn't make.
separately submit?
You can, but that doesn't
Can we
make
separate
much
something?
sense. You can, but it doesn't make much sense. That's the problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. But if it doesn't happen, I have to do that only.
Okay, then do. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Anything else?
হ্যাঁ স্যার ল্যাব এক্সামিনেশনটা কবে 27 তো
27 থেকে শুরু 27তেই হবে কিনা আমি বলতে পারছি না বা জানিয়ে দেওয়া হবে
আর মানে আমাদের লাস্ট ডেটটা 25 তো মানে টুমরো তো
লাস্ট ডেট কিসের লাস্ট ডেট বলো
এই সাবমিশনের এই ফাইল সাবমিশনের
না 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 তোমাদের লাস্ট ডেট ল্যাব এক্সাম যবে দেওয়া হবে ধরা যাক 5th মধ্যে 5th জুলাই ধরা যাক তাহলে 3rd জুলাই হবে লাস্ট ডেট যদি আমি 7th জুলাই দিই তাহলে 5th জুলাই হবে ওকে So to be on the safe side, আপলোড করে রাখো অসুবিধা নেই লাস্ট ডে আগে সাবমিট করলে তো কোনো সমস্যা নেই
হ্যাঁ সেটা অবশ্যই ঠিক আছে ওকে
আচ্ছা আর কিছু বলো which topic you want me to revise otherwise what is the issue point incoming anything you want me to revise any problem anything otherwise very little point otherwise there is very little point tell me anything you want me to revise otherwise what close the class nothing to revise tell me anything any problem where you are stuck 3-phase numericals so tell me a specific numerical I can solve but not from the assignment I will not take assignment problems because our last date is not yet over I think sir has given already questions for Viva. Sandeep sir দিয়ে দিয়েছেন না?
না স্যার আমরা কিছু পাইনি
শিওর কাটা উনি করেছিলেন কোশ্চেন আমি তোমাদের সাথে শেয়ার করেছি না পাওয়া গেলে তো
অফিশিয়ালি দেওয়া আছে স্যার কোশ্চেন গুলো
এক্স্যাক্টলি সেটাই তো আমার মনে পড়ছে কারণ আমি দিয়েছিলাম মানে স্যার আমাকে পাঠিয়েছিলেন আমি স্যার তোমাদের ফরওয়ার্ড করেছিলাম এটা আমার মনে আছে Viva questions, what type? Like you will given, I can show you some pictures of electronic components. You need to identify what component it is, or I can show you a picture of a register. Okay, you need to identify the value of that register if the color codes were done. That type of thing. I will show you a picture of a resistor. And yes, for example, I may show you this picture and I tell you to identify what is the value of this resistor. The color codes are given in that way. Or here the color codes are very bright. So identify the value of what is the value of this resistance from the color code. And that is a good Viva question, especially in the online Viva. So practice these some questions. Anything else? I have written solution from last to first. There is absolutely no problem. If you are given the question numbers correctly, there is absolutely no problem. If your question numbers wrong, then there is a problem. Are you practicing from that book, the Shom series? There are some very good questions in that book, especially the ones which we will solve in the book. So you can practice those questions. A three-phase 400-volt star connected alternator, and take it as a source, supplies a three-phase mesh connected, which means delta connected, induction motor. You remember that scene from that movie? How does the induction motor start? Which book? I have this book. Induction motor of efficiency and power factor of 0.88 and 0.86. of efficiency 0.88 and cos phi 0.86 respectively. Okay. So now find a current IPH B IPH for load. Second is IPH for source, which means that generator. C is active and reactive components of phase current. Okay. D is for load, and thus D is exactly same but for source. How to approach this problem? Actually, I've sent it. So a person who already has it, I request him to share it once more with you. Okay. So this is the question. So I have a star connected source which is serving a delta connected load. Okay. Now alternator, induction motor, those terms you can ignore. You can take it as a source and a load. And efficiency of the motor is 0.88 and power factor cos phi is 0.86, right? So what do you mean by efficiency? First thing first, what do you mean by efficiency? What do you mean by efficiency? Anybody? So we say that our LED lamp is more efficient than an incandescent bulb. Why do we say that? So very often we say that we should not use incandescent bulbs. We should use LED lamps because it's more efficient. Why do we say that? What is the technical reason behind it? Okay, the reason is different, but what do you mean by more efficient? Anybody? What is being, first of all, first question is, because this I did not exactly describe. What is meant by this? This, the power factor you should be able to understand because that we have discussed. Anybody? What is efficiency? Exactly. Output power by input power. Just 1 second. I got a phone call. Exactly. Hello. No, because I had a call. Sorry. Could be. Can you hear my voice now? Can you hear my voice now? Okay, good. So Amit Sasa is right. Output power by input power. So this is the ratio is 0.88. Good. So how to approach this problem? Can I delete it because I think you have noted the problem? Can I delete it because I don't have any space to solve? Okay. So I clear it. Right. So VL is 400 volts. P0, P output is 112 kilowatts. Okay. Eta is 0.88 and cos phi. No, Amit, unfortunately, no. I cannot hear your voice because there is net problem. Let me check once. No, it should be fine. Cos phi is 0.86. But I can read whatever you are typing. Okay. So my source is star connected, but my load is delta connected. That's an interesting situation. Okay, so this is my scenario. So this is VL. Now for delta connection, we had seen that VL is V phase. So this is same as V phase. Okay. Now what is given? What is given to us? P out is 112 kilowatts. Now what Amit rightly said, P out by P in is 0.88. So P in should be P out by 0.88, that is 127.27 watts, kilowatts, sorry, not watts. This is equal to what? V phase, I phase, cos phi, right? So this is 127.27 kilowatts. This is known. This is known. This is known. So what is I phase? I phase is, okay, fine, no problem. So this is in kilowatts. So I multiply by 1000 to make it in watts. This is in watts now. Now I divide. V phase is 400 or cos phi is 0.86. So I phase is 344 amps. So IL is √3 times 344. This should be the answer. Oh, sorry, one thing I missed. This is the total power. This is a total power. Sorry. So power in each would be in each phase would be this half of the 1/3 of that. So this is about 44 watts. So there would be a 1/3 here. Let me do it again. Let me do it again. The power here, it is a total power, not the single phase power. That's the one that mistake I got. So this is a total 3-phase power. So either I can divide it or I can use this formula √3 VL IL cos phi, that is 112 this many watts. Sorry, actually by 0.88. So IL equal to 112 divided by 0.88 √3 400 cos phi. So this should be 112 0.88 1.732 400 0.86. √3 VL IL cos phi. So this value should be 5,000. So this should be the answer. I made a mistake somewhere. It is giving this type of number. Not matching with that are given in the book. Are you getting the same answer which I was getting? Can you check? Because my answer apparently not matching with the one given in the book. 213.6 to 0.86. আমারটা আসছে না কেন? Just 1 second. Okay, the answer is apparently there is something strange with the calculator. So IL is this one. So that is coming to be 213.6 amps. Okay. Okay, I will continue in the next class. I'm stopping it.